Yes, guys, it's time to go home. Like I always look forward to Saturday. Ooh, dilim pa. Time check, 4:55 in the morning. And guys, so malapit na tayo sa bahay, but before, punta na tayo sa convenience to buy some gel. Yeah, I'm gonna run today. Yes guys, I'm planning to run today for at least 1.5 hours. So I'm gonna need energy gel. Pabibili ako ng gel na mura, dito lang yan. Mini stop. Let's go inside. Ito yung mga gel. Of course, Kalyan. Yan, wala yung gel. Nanap ko, ito na lang. Grapes. I'm home. Ayan, sinalubong na ako nito. Today is garbage day. Let's go. Tapon natin. Let's go. Ibang buhod namin. Ayan guys, medyo malapit ng sumikat si Haring Araw. Ayan, nanaw nang tumatakbo na. Ayun, kita kids. Ito tayo sa kung saan yung paborito kong takbuhan. Actually hindi lang ako. Paborito naming takbuhan kasi straight na siya, walang mga traffic light. At madali lang siyang takbuhan kasi walang elevation. So, familiar na dito yung mga kaibigan natin dyan. Shout out kina Roy, kina Gab, Brother David. Shout out to you guys. Ito na tayo. Takbo na naman. Saturday long run. Let's go! Ayan na si Haring Araw. Lamig. Sabi nga ni Coach Steven, huwag ako mag long run kung hindi ako napag run ng buong week. So at least I have 2 runs during Tuesday and Thursday. So today nakakapag long run tayo para din hindi mabigla yung katawan natin. Alright, ngayon medyo mandilim pa. Mamaya pagbalik natin dito mismo maliwanag na. Time check is 6 o'clock in the morning. Kaya natin to. Testing my new watch courtesy of galing kay Brother Masa. Ayan, doon pa tayo guys sa dulo noon. Okay. Yan, today maraming tayong gagawin. Actually hindi to yung every Saturday ko, pero this is one of my busiest Saturday. First, pagkatapos ko mag-run, I need to spend time with my family, with my children, and then I need to go to my dentist. Meron tayong appointment today. Meron din tayong practice tonight. Ako magle-lead ng worship mamaya. So, practice my keys. And later on, we go to the church. Our goal for today, makatakbo tayo ng mahaba for endurance. Hindi mabilis, sakto lang. Kaso yung heart rate ko, sinasabi niya, mabilis. Kaya pagalan natin. Let's go. And guys, ang maganda dito, wala ang traffic. 2K. Mga 10 kilometers pa and more. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo to ah. Sino ba namang hindi mamamangha sa creation ng Lord kung ito makikita mo, diba? Diba? Every day we can be thankful to the Lord in everything. So, nakikita natin, nakatakbo tayo, healthy. Again, 20 minutes na tayong tumatakbo kaya natin kumain. Ibang-iba yung lasa nito doon sa ginamit ko nung nag-half marathon. Sobrang tamis yun. Ito sakto lang. Alright! Yan, 30 minutes. Ika 5K tayo. Halfway. No. 1/3. 1/3 ng ating tatakbin. So maybe makaka 15K tayo. Maybe. Maybe makaka 15K tayo. Or less. For 1.5 hour. Let's go. Let's go heart rate. Morning runners! Saturday long run. Come on, let's go. So guys, meron yata mga runners. Ayan, yung mga kasama tayong runners. So ang dami nila. Yan guys. 1 hour 9 kilometer lang tayo. So hindi natin na-hit yung 10 kilometer. Ito lang. Pero the goal is 1.5 hour. Tayong diretso tumatakbo. It's good, it's good. Na siya. Mainit na guys. Pero malamig yung hangin kaya hindi mo maramdaman masyado yung init niya. It's okay. Still going strong. Let's go, let's go. And guys, 1 and 30 minutes pero 13K pa lang tayo. So, gawin natin 15. Let's go. Kaya pa yan. Go! Woo! Woo! Yes guys, 15K done. It's time to go home. Look at that view. Okay, let's go home to my family. See you later. The best thing about running after the endurance, the suffering, you feel good about yourself achieving something. Alam nyo guys, sa running wala kang talo. The moment you decide to run, panalo ka na. Kasi most of the people decide to go back to sleep. Ayan, probably pag uwi ko tulog pa yung mag-ina ko kaya I'll bring food for them. Time to buy some food. Bili muna tayo guys. Paborito nila. So, puro breakfast meal tayo guys. Hanggang 11 AM sila serving breakfast meal. Ay, dumari ka tayo mas. Ito na siya guys. Ito yung maganda pag tumakbo ko ng morning. Kasi sakto pagkatapos niyan gising na sila. Of course, I love running but I prefer family time first. So ayoko na maging hadlang yung running sa family bonding. So most probably I run before they wake up. Most of the time. Kaya natin to. Ganyan lang. Saktong hobby lang. Waging too much. I'm home. Tingnan natin yung pasalubong sa atin. Hello. Oh, what is that?
Potato.
Potato. I also have pancake for you. I have pancake. Here's my fam.
Look.
What?
How about you? This looks yummy, Clay.
And the picture
And a
of the
potato also. Mukbang challenge. I got something for you.
Baby, look. Look.
I got something for you.
Excited
Hello.
yarn. Yeah, mama.
There you go. Open it. Give it to ate. Ate.
It will go.
Careful lang, alak. Careful with the coffee.
Ay, coffee.
Let's eat. Let's eat, Pam. Mata pa si mami.
Video si Papa nakalagod ko ma.
Ano gina siya eh? Maka ano ka na siya? Maka vlogger? Kaso ka vlogger?
Kumuha ginandugo.
What do we have here? It's sausage, egg,
Baby.
and cheese.
This is
McGriddle.
Clay, come here.
Talking about Clay, does it look tasty? Wanna try?
Sure.
Wanna try? Did you wait for me
Yeah.
the whole night?
Yeah.
Why are you excited?
Because I love you.
Oh, you love Daddy so much?
Yeah.
Okay, let's play together.
Yeah.
What you are doing? Why did you return the potato here? So that you can own all of this?
Mm-hmm.
You can't eat it all.
You cannot eat all of this.
You miss ni Papa.
Ano ka niya?
Sorry guys for my father.
Hey, Clay. What you doing? Do you love me? Do you look like me? Do you look like me? No?
No, don't.
Who do you look like?
Me.
Save me, Mom.
You're just like your ate.
Save. Save.
It's the best thing about breakfast. Good fam. Simple lang. Pero rock. Bakle? Bate? Mukha. Speechless. Tigas lang mga speechless. Try this one. Time to sleep. Time to sleep. Mercedes, come on. Like that? I'll turn on the Mustang. Okay, I will turn on the Ferrari.
I'll turn on the Lamborghini.
What is that? What is that car?
Lamborghini.
Okay, what's that Lamborghini? Time to sleep, guys, for at least 2 hours and wake up again for dentist. Night. Guys, punta naman tayo sa dentist. Parang ayaw ko pang gumising kanina. Parang sarap pang matulog. 2 oras lang yung tulog. Anyway, going there and later punta tayo sa church. Ang pinapanoos ko